Bulawayo Province. My name is Princess Michelle Chimri. I want to present my memory verse. Matthew 5 verse 1. Sermon on the Mount, Beatitude. And seeing the multitude, he went up into a mountain, and when he was set, his disciples came unto him. Thank you. Blessed the poor in spirit, for there is the kingdom of the heaven.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. My name is Tiratan Nation, and I want to present my memory verse. Psalms 23. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He lies me down to the green pastures, and restores me into the quiet water. Thank you.
Yes, our animals thrown into the sea and was drowned in the deep waters of the Red Sea. We gloriously triumphed and swiftly showing that our Lord is a warrior. Yes, the Lord is his name. His right hand was gloriously in power. No one is like you, our Lord, performing such wonders. All the people in Canaan will made in fear, and two your people passed by. We are still encountering bitter waters on our way, but your eyes are watching. You still need conditions to be followed to test our faithfulness. And if you listen carefully to your words and to what is right in your eyes, then you will not suffer from the bitterness of the water. Our God's presence will guide us through, and Canaan is nearly. Keep his commandments so that we enter Canaan gloriously with his mighty power and guidance. Thank you.
Japera, japera, japera.